Okay, crafters, I have an easy one for you today. I'm taking this mug I found at a local store. It says Hocus Pocus on it. And I'm going to take a piece of styrofoam and place it in the center. I have some greenery left over in my craft stash, so I'm going to cut off a few sprigs and then I will place the greenery into the styrofoam. I have these witches' legs I found at a local craft store, and I'm also going to place them in the styrofoam, and I have a little witch broom as well, and I'm going to stick that in there. These little balls came from Dollar Tree, and I'll take a few of those off, cut them off, and put them into the styrofoam as well. And I just continue to fill the areas that I feel need something. I raided my craft stash, so whatever I had, I kind of just threw in there. And then I put a timer candle inside, and I have this cute decoration. Let me know if you'll give it a try. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much and have a great day.